Hello everyone and welcome to the second match in round 3 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Greater Portmore Primary up against Solid Base Prep, both from St. Catherine. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Greater Portmore Primary won. They decided to send in Solid Base Prep first. So Solid Base, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Complete the Beatitude. Blessed are the meek.
For they shall inherit the earth.
Correct. Bible knowledge to you, Greater Portmore Primary. Complete the Beatitude. Blessed are they who do hunger and thirst after righteousness.
For they shall be filled. For they shall be filled.
Correct. Solid base science. Through the operation of which system does the body gain substances to use for energy and nutrients?
Circulatory system.
Circulatory system.
Incorrect. The digestive system. Science to you, Greater Portmore. Through which system are nutrients transported to various organs in the body?
Circulatory system. Circulatory system.
Correct. Regional affairs for solid base. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines. St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Correct. Regional affairs to you, Greater Portmore Primary. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed. It's a visual question.
Grenada. Grenada.
Correct. English language for solid base. Spell encroach, which means to trespass.
EMPROACH.
Incorrect. ENCROCH. English language, Greater Portmore Primary. Spell the word financial, which means relating to finance.
FINANCIAL.
Correct. Television to solid base. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Jennifer Hudson. Jennifer Hudson.
Correct. Television to you, Greater Portmore. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Queen Latifah. Queen Latifah.
Correct. General knowledge for solid base prep. What is the largest country in South America by population and size?
Brazil. Brazil.
Correct. General knowledge, Greater Portmore Primary. Only 2 countries in South America do not share a border with Brazil. One is Ecuador. What is the other?
Chile.
Correct. Social studies to solid base prep. Only 2 countries in South America do not share a border with Brazil. One is Ecuador. What is the other?
Chile.
Incorrect. St. Thomas. Social studies to Greater Portmore Primary. The former parish of St. Dorothy is now part of which parish in Jamaica?
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine.
Correct. Solid base music. Which international artist released the album Last Year Was Complicated?
Kanye West.
Kanye West.
Incorrect. Nick Jonas. Music to Greater Portmore Primary. Which international artist released the album Tell Me You Love Me?
Justin Bieber.
Incorrect. Demi Lovato. Solid base mathematics. What is the least common multiple of 3, 8, and 12?
24.
24.
Correct. Mathematics for Greater Portmore. What is the least common multiple of 4, 5, and 7?
42.
Incorrect. 140. Solid base sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Thomas Bach.
Thomas Bach.
Incorrect. Former pro boxer Oscar De La Hoya. Sports to Greater Portmore. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Chris Beaver.
Incorrect. Marvelous Marvelyn Hagler, former pro boxer. Jamaican affairs to solid base prep. Which Jamaican parishes are in the county of Cornwall?
Hanover, Westmoreland, St. James, Trelawney, and St. Elizabeth.
Correct. So Jamaican affairs to Greater Portmore Primary. Which Jamaican parishes are in the county of Surrey?
St.
Thomas.
St. Thomas, Portland, and
Kingston and St. Andrew.
Correct. Science to solid base prep. How many main layers does the eye have?
3.
Correct. Science to Greater Portmore Primary. How many muscles hold an eye in place?
6.
Six.
Correct. And that is the end of Section 1. The scores now read Greater Portmore Primary on 9 points and the Solid Base Prep on 7 points. But before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, computer and cell phone games can take up a lot of your time. Ensure that you finish your study and homework before you get lost in the games. Please stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.